Fantastic morning. Yung walking again, no, dito ta sa clubhouse pa-healthy living. Nasagutin natin tong request, no, hindi man tatanong, no, request to. Ay, wait lang, nagplan tayo ng pwesto na maupuan. No, may nag-request, no, yung ating last time that na testimony about the upcoming new products ni iFern, which is the FD3X. Wait lang, nawak-walk tayo ng konti. And tawag dito, sige, i-share ko ulit, no, sa mga hindi nakapag-record last time ng ating sharing. Hanap na ako ng pwesto na maupuan dito sa clubhouse, no. So recently I had kasi this very severe attack ng high blood pressure, no. Upo ako to the max na I can't move yung akin na leeg, no, yung sobrang sakit na sa batok and everything, no. Siguro 2 days, almost 3 days na nasa bahay lang ako, no. Wait lang, no. And kumbaga pinaka-severe na sa akin siya na attack na nangyari that I was nagpapaalam ako kay Juday, no? Pinapaalam ko yung mga anak namin, no. And so but yun nga, no, and fortunately, no, merong meeting yung mini ladies before, no, and na-found out ni Sir Tom through Juday na I'm not feeling okay, no, na may sakit ako and such. Wait lang. And sinuggest ni-recommend ni Sir Tom, there's sample products of FD3X noon, no, around last week of March, no, last week of March. And chinat ako ni Sir Tom, Joseph, may sakit ka daw, ganun, no. Ask Juday to get a sample nung FD3X, no. And I'm taking power to you every day, and so kumaga parang kulang, and sabi niya, try mo to, i-max dose mo agad. Sabi niya 5 capsule agad every day, and then nung umuwi si Juday, immediately I tried. I'm not sharing din as a magic yung FD3X, but after taking it maybe 2 days, no, 2 days going 3, nakatake ako ng 50 na pieces nung FD3X natin, miraculously, na parang magic, hindi bias, no, hindi dahil iFern member ako, no, and sharing the miraculous na effect ng FD3X, but parang magic that I don't feel na the pain sa batok, no. I even tried the BP, no, yung pang-test ng BP, no. Nag-normal siya back to 120, no, nag-over 80 to 83 na ganyan. And ang amazing na pinagpapasalamat ko is yung back pain ko. Akala ko back pain, yun pala, no, later I'll share. Akala ko back pain, but yung lower back, ang sakit, hindi ako masyadong makalakad. And fortunately, naka-attend ako ng CSEL, and there's a guest of ours coming from DSM, no, representative from DSM. I don't know if it's from the RDS, no, Research and Development, shared, and I understand. Sabi ko, kaya pala hindi psychological yung sa akin, hindi bias na dahil iFern product siya. I understood why it has a great effect sa katawan ko, especially sa back pain. Yung back pain ko pala, I was talking to my doctor, hindi siya back pain, ni kidney, na may problem sa kidney ko. And nagpapaliwanag yung sa RDS or yung sa DSM, no, he was sharing that the Ferndib, vitamin D3 natin, merong important role si kidney and si liver for it to be kumbaga distributed sa katawan natin yung vitamin D. So anong sinabi niya doon? Meron siyang example doon, lahat halos ng mga nagiinom, hindi naman lahat malakas mag-inom. Yung iba mabilis malasing, depende kasi sa mga liver condition nila at sa mga sa kidney. Same goes with vitamin D. Yung vitamin D, mayroong malaking role si liver in distributing it to our body. So kung nagtitake ka ng vitamin D3 and may konting diferensya yung liver mo and then yung kidney mo, so kulang yung dosage agad kasi pinifix niya pa si kidney and si liver. So what am I trying to say? Sabi ko, okay, kaya pala yung FD3X natin, not only na distribute niya yung vitamin D na kailangan ng katawan ko, pinix niya pa or kinure niya pa kung anumang condition meron ng liver at saka kidney ko. Nagets nyo? So sobrang effective siya. And sa mga nagtatanong, anong gagawin namin sa vitamin D, sa Fern D, hindi na ba namin natitake? Ang ganda ng paliwanag ni Mama Dam Kim, no? Si vitamin D3, si Fern D natin, if you want it as maintenance, no, okay yung liver mo, okay yung kidney mo, and it's very effective, hiyang na hiyang sa'yo, continue using the Fern D, no? Pero pagka meron kang matindi malubhang karamdaman, no, it's very recommended to take the FD3X, no? Yun yung comparison, no? Or damihan yung vitamin D3. So instead of damihan mo yung vitamin D3, take po yung FD3X kung meron po kayong mga kakilala na malupa na po yung karamdaman. So I hope it helped, no? Sa akin nakatulong. I'm so excited for the release or the launching ng ating product. Sir Tom, sana dumating na, no? Abangan natin kasi sa akin, no, I can't predict na hindi na mauulit yung akin severe na high blood pressure with all the scenario na ramdaman ko, no? But I would wish that I have a kumbaga antidote, no? Meron kang gamot na pwedeng i-take mo agad in the event na mag-attack ulit yung akin karamdaman. Fantastic morning, no? Salamat user 1234567 8, no? I hope nakatulong.